On this hunt, I went out to a vacant lot where an old house once stood, built in 1935. And not the greatest hunt in the world, but I really enjoyed myself out there with my detector. This hunt is a dose of reality when it comes to metal detecting because not every hunt is going to yield spectacular finds. But it gives you a chance to get out there and enjoy the weather and have fun. So come along with me on this hunt and let's see what we can find. Going after a 84. There it is. Oh, wait a minute. This is something different. I'm digging this already because this is not American. A Canadian penny, 1962. Check it out. That's cool. What was that again? $78 out of the ground. Nice. It's hard for me to tell. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be a wheat. 1944. 1944 wheat. Awesome. Maybe there's some silver out here somewhere. Ah, it's foil. All right, so there's something else down there, but I just found this. Very heavy. It's a 78 on Manicore. So it's like a big washer kind of thing. Something else there though. Let's see what else is down here. Okay, that's just iron. It's a nail. All right. Good enough. So I'm on an old home site today, and I'm in the area of where the front porch would have been. The house is no longer here. You could see that there's a chimney still standing, but the house is no longer here. But I'm in the area of where the front porch is, and I'm using the Mineland Manicore today. I've got my DS2 with me, but I don't know if I might use it, might not. So I'm running pretty much stock here. I am all-terrain general. I did a noise cancel. I ground balanced. I'm at recovery speed 5. And Ferris limits are stock. And I'm using 5 region all tones. So that's what I'm hunting at today. And I'll see you on the next target. The next good target, that is. Let's see what we got. It's a piece of brass. That's why it was ringing up in the 80s like that. Or should I say copper? Not brass, but copper. Copper fitting or something. It's different. I'll clean it up, see if I can figure out what it is, but it's definitely some sort of fitting. Very heavy. Brass or copper. One of the two, I think. Let's keep going. I'm making my way over to this tree. See if I can find some coins over here. I got a squeaky, faint signal right here. It's jumping around quite a bit. It went from 88 to 87 to 90 at one point. Let's see what we got. This ground's falling apart. This is kind of sandy dirt here. So it falls apart. Let's see. Yeah. Right there on that side. All right. It's a coin. It's just going to be a copper, or is it going to be a wheat? Let's see. That sand got a pretty sweet 76, 78 right here beside the tree. And soil around here is kind of sandy, so this dirt's falling apart on me. But let's see what we've got. There it is. Looks like a penny. It's a copper penny. Don't see a date on it right away, but bringing that high, it's a copper penny, I'm sure. Not a wheat. I was hoping for a wheat. There it is. Bottle cap. Coors Light. 78. And it's showing it right here on top too. Oh, there we are. That's a dime. Modern though. Not silver by any means. Too bad. $89.90 right on top. That's interesting. I was hoping it was a coin, but it's not. It is a piece of a door hinge, a door latch. Not a hinge, but a latch. Little slide latch, you know, with the chain. That's what that is. Ringing up high, $89.90. Probably made of brass. So that helps me. That's another clue that I probably am in the area of the front porch, front door of this house. So when you're out hunting, you take clues like that and try to piece things together, you know? And this house was built, the owner said, around 1935. '78. Could be a coin. Let's see. And again, the ground's falling apart on me. Unfortunately, this ground is just... I should have known. Last dime was a '78 too. It's another dime. That's like a 2002 modern. Well, got 2 dimes and a penny on the board as far as coins. '80, '81. Let's see what we got. That acts kind of like a copper penny signal. Like I got a little bit of root action here. There is a tree close by. Now it's gone. What have we here? It's a dime. I said copper penny, but it's a dime. It's not old. Modern. I said copper penny because it was up around 80, 81. And most of my dimes been hitting '78 solid, but hey, that just goes to show you it's not always... Goes to show you it's not always the same on your VDI. So usually close, yeah, but not always the same. '76 to '78 here, and the dirt is breaking apart. Oh, great. This is a capacitor. Cool. Yep, capacitor out of a piece of something electronic. '88, surface fine, quarter, not silver. All right.